baby. Time to get this money. Shit. Let's get it. 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 My boy, what up, man? Got a little head start. Took a little scalp to the upside. Chilling. Curious to see what we're gonna do here. It's hard to go against these longs after yesterday. I kept trying to short it. Got 1 minute here. Let's see what we can do, baby. $26 400s holding for now, pushing up into the VWAP. Got about 44 seconds left until market open. I think we may push. All-time high, yeah. I mean, it is an all-time high. So I'm trying to compare Qs and NQs. So the Qs are at all-time high, but NQ still has a little bit of way to go. Pushing up, pushing right up. I'm gonna be patient here, but Looking at the NQ, I think all-time high is 646. Or no, it's actually, if you adjust for contract, it's 865. So there's still room up there. See if we get a little pullback today. It's crazy though that we're way up here. Like none of my indicators are even up here. It's looking pretty weak right now. Might try some longs down here. Hopefully it doesn't just rip right now. I want to try to get in some longs at like 350. I want to see some kind of hold at this 637 previous all-time high just to see. It's at 637.50 for now. So yeah, I'm looking for some kind of long here if we can. Kind of late. See if this is going to be the line that holds. So it's pretty much right at that price where we closed yesterday. 637.40 on QQQ. I had that previous all-time high 637. If we lose 637, I'll go short into 635 on the QQQ, but it is already bouncing up here now, so talked about going long, but I didn't enter. Just trying to be patient here. Nice 40-point reaction though. So we're kind of creating a bear flag here on this 2-minute chart. I'm looking to see. It's tough here. Holding up. 400 levels, the line in the sand. We get back above that, we're going right back up. I think we're gonna pull back a little more. I kind of want to try longs, but I don't want to be too early. I'll give it a shot. This is eval, so. Barely missing my ticket. Right, my entry.
Order filled.
Oh, I didn't copy it, dude. I hate when I do that shit.
Filled.
Why does it do that, man? Well, I'm up on that account. Fuck. I had the perfect fucking entry too, man. Are you fucking kidding me? Back in this long if I can. It's getting back above 400. I wish I was still down in here at the 60s like I was, but I don't want to miss this reclaim back up. I'll put my stop below the 50s though, just in case, because I fucking had the perfect entry, but now I'm chasing, so I want to see this close above 400. Down off it pretty freaking hard. See, I'd be freaking green still down here. I want to add. Damn it, I'm pissed I did that. If I was long here from the 60s, I think I would have to try it again, bro. I gotta do this sometime. I'm gonna try one ad.
Order filled.
Just because I was originally down here, so we'll see. Probably gonna pull back now. I missed my scalp. I'd like to see this get back above 400 and hold above it. Come on. I just don't know. I'm not confident. I'm gonna take it off and wait a second. I want to see if we're actually gonna break this down to 635, because it is pulling back right now. I don't want to try to bottom ticket. I feel like my psych's a little bit off because I did have 360 as my fucking entry. So it's whatever. Wait, see what happens. pressure right now, so. Oh, buddy. Yeah, I think we're gonna come back to 635. I'll wait for it. That's a great freaking long area down there. 635 on the Qs. Pretty much that lines up with the 26, 260. So there's about 100 points room to the downside if we get below this 637. Like to see if we could try to push down there. Be patient though. Let this thing do its thing. So we tapped right into that daily open level. Got this indicator, shows me all the key levels. This one's showing the daily open. Next one down is way down here. We got the yearly open. So it's just way away from all my levels. I tried getting a pullback all day yesterday. Maybe today it gives it to us. See if we can start getting weak. Lows down there, holding up for now though. So we got the got the 15-minute range low here, 15-minute range high. Got this VWAP right here, 21 in the 9 EMA. That's the only indicator I have for value. Pretty much looking to see which way we're going to break out. This way, we're going to hold here, go long, break out this way. So that's what I'm looking for. Kind of in the middle of this range, there's no real trade. So this pivot for me is 26,400. It's gonna be my bull bear pivot. I will wait till we get like, above VWAP maybe. But initially I did try longs down here, popped up, closed. Just kind of let it play out, do its thing. It's looking like it wants to hold though. 637 on the QQQ, right? Pushing right up into that VWAP here. I think we're gonna go low. I kind of want to try a short. If we start getting through them 410s, I'm gonna start looking for longs. It's making a lower high for now, so we'll see if it tests this 350 area again. fill me and let's go. Come on, dude. I know you've seen that. I'm trying to get filled at right here. So I guess you didn't see it, but it didn't fill me. It's crazy because it literally went above that shit. How did it not fail me, bro? It's 30 points from where I was trying to get in. Looking right back up too. Come on. So you see where I'm trying to get short at? This is where it like stalled out at. I don't want to get short down here because then my stop, you know, it's just risking more. So I'm trying to get this pullback to then break down on this low to go shorter, to go lower. But it didn't fail me for some reason. For my entries, I do use the 2 minute, but I got the 5 minute chart, and I also have the QQQ. Like I'm looking at other shit. Might be jumping around here a little bit, but keeping a tight stop. I could have just entered. I only had 5 micros, but I guess I'm being greedy for the tick. I'm gonna move this down to the 80s. Just catch some kind of pop before it drops, please. Sometimes you gotta chase this thing. If it cracks this low, I'm gonna retry at the 50s if it'll break it and retest the 50s. I just hate to see it freaking go. It's already 40 points from where I was trying to get in. Sucks. It's breaking it down, so that sucks. Gonna try to retest up here. Might just go without us. Come on, NASDAQ, don't do this, bro. 345.
filled.
Trying to chase it now. We'll go back to 635 though. 34 minutes. Trying to add. This was I wanted to get in at, so. I didn't get my full size, but we're printing here. I was trying to add up here. Try not to be too greedy here. Actually, no. I'm gonna go with this. Sucks I didn't get my full size. I'm just gonna take this off 40 points here.
Order filled.
Take that off and reassess. I don't want to short into 635. We got a nice scalp though. I was aiming for like the 260s. That's kind of where we held up at. Yesterday there was some resistance there at the 250, so just don't want to get bounced on. This Trump market's crazy. Gotta be surgical with these shorts. Beautiful break to the downside though. Sucks we didn't get it. I tried getting it in at the 390s. It didn't get filled until 320, so we didn't even get close to what I was aiming for. Not quite yet. I'd like to, give the market some time to do its thing, but like I was saying, it was approaching that area, so this is why I did take profit. It's already showing reactions. We didn't get quite down all the way to where I was targeting, like the 260, 250 area. So maybe we'll come down and tap that a little more, and then I'd like to see us chop around there a little bit, start to develop a hold there, but it is getting a great reaction here, so we'll see here. I'm curious how we're going to react to 637 now on QQQ. Just want to react to the market. I'm sick of trying to predict the shit. I'm gonna just play the levels, man. Let it tell us what it's doing. Good start to the day though. It's like what, 3 grand? Let's get it. Let's get it. I also got these 3 Tradeify accounts going. Good day so far though. Making some money. Man, that's what be getting me, to be honest. Which part? Patience, taking too many trades. Creating nice new lower high here, continuing the downtrend for now. Your bias is way too strong. Yeah, man, that was me yesterday. I kept shorting and it just kept going up, but where I was shorting was good. Just went, you know, I was holding and it just kept stopping me out, and then just a couple bad red trades, you know. But I would have took them trades all day. I recognized that it broke my plan, and I still kept trying anyway, just thinking that it was gonna pull back. So I was overly biased yesterday. But what can you do? I made money in some accounts, lost some in another. I mean, that's why I get multiple accounts with props. You're gonna have like heat streaks of winning on some of them, and then you'll have cold streaks on others. You know, you kind of spread your risk out, and that's ultimately how I get to payouts, is just having more accounts. Right now I got 3 on Tradeify, working 5 on Lucid. You know, as I'm doing these, the next one I'm gonna do is 5 on Take Profit, 5 on Top Step, and you know, just keep cycling them. Try to keep them as long as you can, but spread your risk out. My problem is after I get the payouts, I start trying to hit a monster, and then I end up popping the account. So I'm gonna focus on retaining my accounts, just chipping away at all of them. The shit adds up. I don't know if you can even. I don't even know. Oh, I guess that's not even working. This fucking OBS, dude. Shit pisses me off. Oops. I don't know why it's doing that. You made me money yesterday, though, for sure. Makes sense. Yeah, man, copy trading's cool, bro. So if you could see, I got 600 on these, 500 on each of these. It's not even showing. I got another one under there. My settings are all jacked up. Yeah, so all this copying, it just adds up. Sorry, I'm trying to play with my OBS. It's jacked up for some reason. This one, it's not working. See, kind of chopping around here like I expected, though. 637. Let me see here. Pull up my pull up the QQQ chart. So it was that previous high over here, bro. 637. That previous all-time high. Yep. And then, yeah, 635 was that 634.50 was that area yesterday where we kind of got stuck here. So I was looking for it to like pull back to here. It was kind of like a demand zone type thing there. So it's kind of holding us right at 635. So that's where those levels came from. And then you can see back above 637, I think we pushed back into 640 all-time high push. So kind of just waiting to see, like, do we push lower or do we get back above 637 and go high? If that makes sense. But I use QQQ to help guide me on NASDAQ. You just got to translate it by like the time of the candle. Just line them. They line up pretty good next to each other. So. 15-minute chart looks like we're starting to hold some support here as expected. So it's kind of a little bit. So this is where I was targeting this area. So just about 20 points. You know, that's pretty good precision for these. This shit's thousands of points. So within 20 points is pretty good. Still not understanding why my fucking screen isn't working. Sorry, OBS problem again, so I'm not even focused on trading right now. It's such a pain in the ass. Can you hear me now? My bad. My bad. I'm learning, guys. I'm learning. Didn't know what was going on. My screen was like black. I need an IT guy. Need a freaking IT guy. All right, so now we are kind of looking pretty strong now. Got a nice little pullback, good bounce there. You know, I don't know if you noticed, but we took profit like right here. Well, where's my mouse? Yeah, we took profit like right here somewhere. So pretty good trade there, you know. Now let's see. I'm looking for longs now, baby. Let's see how see if we can get a little pullback for some longs. So now this 637 is my pivot on the QQQ. So that lines right up with this on the NASDAQ. It lines right up with the opening range, high and low. So let me show you guys that. So this indicator here is my 15. This is my orb indicator. So 15-minute opening range. It plots it for you. So this is the high, this is the low, and it's lining right up with my level on QQQ at 637. So that's what I'm seeing. And then if you look at the Qs, got the 15-minute range there as well. So that 15-minute range low lines right up with 637. So if we start to close above this, I'm looking for longs targeting this high, potentially a breakout of all-time highs, because this is obviously all-time highs up here. So do we push up there? If not, we're already green on every account. So kind of wish I would have flipped long instead of just closing. That was like a 100-point move there. Pretty crazy. Pretty crazy. I think we're just gonna push up now. Get some kind of like bull flag formed over here. So that's why I used the 2-minute chart. Where's my drawing tool? So I just like to get a little bull flag, pull back down into like here. I like to take bull flag patterns. So we'll see if we can make a nice little bull flag here, and then when we break out, higher. Let's see what happens. You can see it good on the 1-minute chart too, but I don't personally like trading on the 1-minute chart. It's crazy though, freaking confidence of, you know, a red day will make your confidence go down. I'm over here hesitating just because I lost yesterday. Still making money, but you know, hesitant because I got burned a couple times. It's crazy. I had caught that whole long move on Tuesday, and then yesterday I was just so convicted that we're gonna pull back. It's crazy. It's crazy to just push up like this. Bigger than the freaking tariff from last year around the same time. motion. Damn, I should have just got it. Some kind of pullback though. Crazy, all the way up to 400 there. It's kind of a scary wick. 30-point drop. Trying to get filled.
Order filled.
Kind of scary with that wick right off 400, but if we are gonna grind up here, I don't want to miss it. It's like 5 micros. Let's see what I can do here. Good, they're kind of FOMO'd in, but at least I'm not in up at the 400s. Trying to see if we can continue to push through that there. Should have just waited. I wanted to get in at like the 40s. I'll try to add if it goes to 40. Kind of hoping to just grind way up. Once we're above 637 on the BQ, I think it'll push up. Let's see how good our entry is. I wanted to pull back to the 40s originally, but this wick kind of suckered me in. So we'll see. Let's see here.
Order filled.
Alright, now it's scary. So I did add. Let's see if it holds here. It's failing back below. Just trying to see if that was just a wick below, or is this a fake out? I want to see this get back above the 50. Pretty good. Fuck. those 50s. Just gotta wake up, get some juice. I wanted to add so bad, but it was so close to stopping me. See if we can wake up here. Still don't like it, man. I need to engulf this. Close strong. Engulf that candle. Come on. How'd you do that? Huh? Damn, bro. No. Alright, so my stop's good. I'm keeping it there. See if we can target that previous high, take half off. We're failing here. We need to get through those 50s and hold. So, wasn't patient enough, but hoping we can wake up here, get through those EMAs. Trying to time this freaking bounce. I already missed part of the move. It's not looking good. Should I add to this shit? Do I do one ad?
Order filled.
30. Gotta get through these fucking 50s, man. Alright, we'll see. Want this to hold here. Come on, NASDAQ, wake up, baby. So that ad got us back in the green. Let's see if we can make this push now. Come on, man. Push back up. not liking it, guys. It's not getting that ump to the upside that I want. There we
Order
go.
filled.
All right, I took half off. So that changed our entry. So we're good now. Holy shit.
Order filled.
Dude, that was showing 1600. That's so gay. Fuck you, Tradeovate. Are you fucking me? That said 1600 on my screen. What was that? That was fucking crazy. What was that, dude? It filled me here. That's so fucking gay. They finessed me too, bro. It's like 900. It flashed 1600. That's why I tried to close real quick. This is my freaking funded account, dude. Fuck. Top Step just blew you? Like you popped it? That is so gay, man. I'm glad I added at that 20 though, because typically I use the 80s and the 20s. Like when it's failing below the 80s, I go short. When it's holding the 20s, I go long. It's kind of like a trick I figured out. I can't believe it fucked me like that. I'd literally tried closing up here. Yeah, the reason I added though, because this was like my stop, and you could see it was holding it, so I added it, and then I moved my, I don't know if you've seen it, but I moved my stop up to below the 10, so. Cool that we got that little flash, but it sucks that it didn't fill me there. Give me like 900 freaking less than it was. How do I scale? So me scaling is like, I started with 5 micros, and then I kind of added in. You don't want to add in if it's like not valid, but you can see it pushed up. We made a higher high. We started to form a higher low than this low. So it's a shift in structure. So we're just following the momentum of the chart. We were going short this way, and then we start holding. You know, I kind of suckered in from this wick, but I did wait for it to pull back a little. I thought we'd start to hold this previous high, but it did dip a little. Nothing too crazy because we're sized appropriately. I added, and then I added at the bottom again, and then boom, boom. Just sucks. I wish I would have kept my limit order up there because I was previously targeting, well, it wouldn't hit. I was previously targeting that 400 level. But perfect ads there. I think I'm done for the day. That's 700 each on the fundeds after, I think, 2 tries, and then I made all this on the evals. So great freaking day. We haven't had one red trade today. But that's what it is, man. So we got this lockout button on Tradeovate. We're gonna hit this, show you guys. This prevents us from over trading. So now even if we want to keep trading, we can't. So this is how I protect myself. So I'm done for the day, guys. We'll be back tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday. Let's see what kind of data we got here really quickly. Econo. So tomorrow, not much data going on. So good finish to the week. I did have a red day on my funded yesterday, but I made some back. We don't have to get it all back in one day. Trading is a marathon, not a sprint. So sucks. I'm in a little bit of drawdown on those. Not actually. I'm like kind of breaking even this month. I was up like 1,200, then I lost 2,500, then I made 2,500 back. So I'm pretty much slightly green on the month on that account. So I'm trying to get these other fundeds going, and then we'll be good, man. I got about 5,000 on this 150K account already, so over halfway on those. We just gotta keep chipping away. Let these green days add up, and survive the red days. That's really what trading's all about. But we've been here for an hour. We took about 3 trades. Yeah, you can hit me up on Discord. We can talk about the coaching stuff. Just hit me up, man. But I'm gonna go hit the gym and enjoy my day. We made a nice chunk of change. 500 on those 5 accounts plus 200 from accidentally getting in with just one. So that's over 2,500, almost 3 grand. So we're chilling. We don't need to make $1 million in a day, and then 2,100 on those accounts. So great freaking day, great progress. I'll be back tomorrow. Peace out, everybody.